Hi, this is 2015 Chevy Trobus. I'm gonna replace a headlight. I'm gonna replace both of them. So I have to open this, all the push clip. Since everyone is all over, then I can lift it up. This one. So you have a tool like this. This will be much easier. Just pull this and take this off. See this? So when you put it back, just push this inside, and this one just push it like this. And after I take all this clip, I can simply separate this. So I need to open the bumper because one of the, you see this right there, one of the bolt inside, and another one is right there under the fender. So I need to open the bumper. To open this is T20 right here. It's T20. It's all this T20 I need to open for the grill. And there's a 7mm in here, one right there, and the rest of them like 10 for the light, 10mm. So I open all this bolt. I open all this T20 and 7mm right here. Then to open the bumper, turn the tire inside like this. So there's a T21. There's another one on the top right here. Need to open this. After that, just open two T20 and one 7mm from here. The same thing on the other side. After that, just pull in, take right here, put the hand like this. You see this coming out little by little. So be gentle, like it will come out the bumper. See, after I pull this, full bumper is came out. Make sure don't break this. The same thing on the other side. So both sides bumper is open now. Now I'm gonna have all the access for the bolt. Just take two 10mm bolt. There was one by the fender. You see this one? See the fender clip right here. Underneath this one, this for the light. Need to open this as well, both sides. Then whole light will come out. So this is the bolt. Need to open right there. Look, I'm gonna open this bolt too for the radiator support. I opened this too. Take two bolt here and one bolt right there. Same thing on the other side. Same thing on the other side right there. See this? One bolt right here, right there. I already opened this, so you can separate this whole radiator support. Then easily you can pull this light. See this? After I took this two bolt and this one, same thing on the other side. I can take whole thing out. You don't really need to, but make it life easy. You can do that. See this? Now I can get the access this bolt very easily. And after I open this one, then there's another bolt right here. This one we need to open 10mm. So one in the corner right there, and right another one right here. So two in the bottom one on the side right there, this one, and two in here. One and two. So I open this, the light will come to come very easily. See this. So make sure this, take this connection out, all this connection. So you can adjust the light like the power is, you want a little bit down or a little bit up. There's an adjuster right there. See this? So you can adjust right there. This one right there inside. Let me show you on the new one. You want to have like this is aftermarket lights, so they have, you see this, you can do with this screwdriver, click down or up the light. So to open this light, just loose this, you don't have to take it off, and come out easily. See this, the light can come out. After there, you just need to pull the light out, the bulb. You don't have to do nothing, just pull it. It will come out, and when you put it back, just push it inside right there. So when you open this connector, see this, push in here like this with the thumb, and with this screwdriver, push in here with the thumb, and with this screwdriver just do like this. See, it will come out. So reverse is removable, guys. After that, just put everything back by order. Then put the light on and check if the power is good straight or up. If it's go up, you can adjuster right there with the screwdriver. It just up and down, it goes like this. Thank you very much, guys.